Sir, the Minister designate is present to take the oaths of office and secrecy. I request your permission to present him. Sri Charan Bora, Minister designate, is invited to the dais to take the oath of office and secrecy as Minister for State of Assam. You may be pleased, sir, to administer the oath of office and oath of secrecy to Sri Charan Bora as Minister for the State of Assam.
I,
Sri Charan Bora, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a Minister for the State of Assam, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law without fear and favor, affection, or ill will.
Say, I.
I,
Sri Charan Bora, do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a Minister for the State of Assam, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister.
बहुत बहुत बधाई आपको। Sir, the swearing in now complete. With your permission, the proceedings may now be closed. National Anthem. I invite everyone present here to join for high tea. Thank you.